My name is Ekaterina Grigorovich, and now I'm going to show you a part of the lesson on listening and speaking skills. This is lesson 1 for Capstone 2 ASU University TESOL course. We are at the assessment part of this lesson with my students, and now we're going to prepare to have debates about fate and coincidences. Okay guys, now we are going to use Padlet again, so take your phones again and enter our board on Padlet. Has everyone managed to do so? Good. Here in the second part of this board you will see a poll. Do you believe in fate? You see, I have already answered it. Yes, I believe in fate. You need to give your answer if you believe, if you don't believe, or maybe you don't know. Think a little bit and choose the answer which is suitable for you. Let's see the results. Okay, we have only 2 people who believe in fate, 4 people who don't, and 1 person who doesn't know. I thought there would be more people who believe in fate. You are such masters of your fate. Okay, I see. Well, why we have done this? We needed to participate in debates. We're going to have 2 teams. Now, one team are people who don't believe in fate, another team, people who believe in fate. Susha, you don't know, so you will just join the team of those who believe in fate, okay? So that there will be 3 people here, and you guys, there will be 4 of you. Now, join your teams, please. So, debates. What do you know about debates? Yes, good. What's the most important rule of debate? Right. Let me write it on board for you. No shouting, yes. Okay, good. What else is important? So we are going to participate in debates one by one. Like one person from one team expresses their opinion, then another person from another team expresses their opinion. Then again, team 1, then team 2, team 1, team 2. One by one, we will take turns, okay? And I want you to give many reasons for your opinion, because I want each of you to participate in debates. You need to share your opinion, explain it, and also if there are some follow-up questions from another team, they can ask you. You need to provide some opinion on that follow-up question too, okay? So you have your teams now. Don't put your phones aside. No, you are going to use them now. Because again, you're going to enter our Padlet class board, and here in the next part of this board you can see debates title, fate exists, pros. This is for you guys, you believe in fate, so this part of the board is for you. And the part of the board debate, there is no fate, this part is for you. You need to add your opinions here. As many reasons for your opinions as you can. You remember how to do that? Yeah, of course, you just click on this plus and you write your opinion and it gets to the right part of the board. Why you need to write your opinions? First of all, because it will be helpful for you. Then you will have all of your opinions in the same place and you will know what to say when you need to speak in debates. Also, you will have a chance to look at what your opponents write, so you can create counter arguments to their arguments. So it's going to be even more interesting, right? Okay, so now we are going to spend 5 minutes on brainstorming reasons for our opinions. Now let's get started. Now we are going to participate in debates. Who might be the first team to start? Yes, I also think that you guys need to start because there are more of you, maybe you have more reasons. So who's going to be the first one to speak up? Okay, Van, please speak. Fair enough. Oh, that's a good one. You guys have any follow-up questions? What can you say to that? Yes, good. Okay, 1 point to you guys, well done. Now who's going to give us counter-argument? Lucy, please. That's a good one. Well done, guys. I loved how you participated in debates and how you were polite and how you asked follow-up questions. And I loved your reasons. Every reason was really sensible. And I like that you really provided some real life examples. So good job, let's clap to our work. Well done. Okay, now I have created an interesting task for you, which is going to be your assessment and your homework at the same time. It's going to be a creative and maybe a little bit time-consuming task, because you need to think of your opinion about fate and coincidences. And if you believe in fate and coincidences, you need to think of some movie or TV show. Yeah, I know we all like watching movies and TV shows, right? You need to think of some scene from a movie or TV show which proves your opinion. Like, if you believe that fate exists, you need to find such a part of a movie in which there is some scene which shows that fate exists. If you don't believe in fate, if you think that a person is the master of their own fate, you need to find such a scene which shows a strong character who fights the bad moments of life and comes out a leader and a winner of their life, okay? What the task is going to be? You need to find a scene. You can use YouTube, because there are a lot of scenes there, or you can find Get Yarn. Has anyone heard of Get Yarn? Okay, Lisa, what is it? Yes, good. It's a perfect source of all the phrases from different films, TV shows. Really, guys, you can type any words here, like "I'll be back" from Terminator, and they will show you this particular scene with the actor speaking these words in this scene. By using this website, you can really practice English. You can listen and repeat after the actors, and you can rewatch some parts of your favorite scenes. So you can use this website not only for this task, but for life. For this task, you find the scene which you need on YouTube, on Get Yarn, anywhere else. It doesn't matter, you just need the part of the scene, and you share the link to the scene on our board. Here, you see the last part, share scene from a movie, homework. You need to share the link, because in the next lesson, we're going to watch your scenes and you're going to present your opinion if fate exists or not, and explain how you understand this scene, what has been shown there, and what's your opinion of it. Sounds a little bit confusing, right? But I have prepared my example for you. Well, guys, let me start from afar. Have you watched Lost? Oh, you guys watched. So, how did you like it? Yeah, so I've recently watched Lost, and I'm so impressed by this TV show. And there was a scene which came to my mind instantly when I was creating this task. It was a scene between Jack and Lionel. You know some general idea of this TV show, right? Okay, yes. So Ben wants Jack to treat him, because he's going to die because of some problems with his spine. And he asks Jack, like, do you believe in God? And Jack says, so what? And then Lionel says an interesting phrase. So I want to share the scene with you as if I am presenting my homework, okay? So let's watch this part.
Do you believe in God, Jack? Me too. 2 days after I found out I had a fatal tumor on my spine, a spinal surgeon fell out of the sky.
What did he say? Spinal surgeon? Yes, fell out of the sky. So, do you think he believes in fate or not? He believes in God or not? Yes, he does. He thinks that it was fate for him to meet Jack. So this is how I understand the scene. So this is what you need to do at home. Present your videos, and then we will discuss what you think. Maybe we will ask you some follow-up questions about your understanding of your scene. It's going to be a lot of fun. So that's it for today. Thank you, guys. Don't forget about this homework. It's going to be a big and interesting part of our next lesson. Have a nice day. Goodbye.